Welcome to our overview of the Inventory Performance Index, or IPI. If you have a professional selling plan and store inventory at an Amazon fulfillment center, you'll receive an IPI score. It measures how well you manage your Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, inventory. In this video, we'll explain which factors impact your IPI and where to find tips for improving your score. Think of IPI as a scale. It tracks how well you balance keeping products in stock to meet customer demand with avoiding excess inventory. We recommend you start by stocking enough items to cover between 30 and 60 days of your expected sales. Then review your IPI score regularly to help avoid missing out on sales or paying long-term FBA storage fees. To check your IPI score, expand the IPI section at the top of the Seller Central homepage. Then click the IPI score next to the store you'd like to review. You'll arrive at the Inventory Performance page. Here, you can reference a snapshot of your IPI score, which is updated weekly, top influencing factors like in-stock inventory, and a summary of the percentage of your FBA sales revenue you spent on FBA storage fees over a given time frame. You can review recommendations on how to improve your FBA inventory performance across these categories in the Ways to Improve Your Performance section on the Inventory Performance page. Select the Show More Details checkbox below a recommendation for more information. In this example, we surfaced an Amazon selling partner's in-stock rate over a number of weeks and estimated lost FBA sales over the past 30 days. They can use these insights to inform the FBA inventory quantities they'll keep in stock. Select the drop-down arrow icons at the bottom of the page to review your restock limits and storage volume. The Restock Limits section helps you manage the quantities you add to your FBA inventory. We calculate your restock limits based on your historical sales and forecasted demand. The Storage Volume section lets you know the amount of space these items are occupying in fulfillment centers compared to your storage limits. We recommend reviewing your IPI score and these two sections regularly, since your performance in these areas can determine if you'll be subject to storage limits. These limits help Amazon manage storage capacity as customer demand changes. If you exceed your storage limits, you'll pay monthly overage fees and won't be able to create new shipments. Select the letter I icon on the right side of each section for more information on restock limits or storage volume. Note that your IPI score considers both recent and historical performance. This means factors like seasonality, unexpected disruptions to your business, or other short-term fluctuations are less likely to impact your score. This also means you'll have more time to adjust your FBA inventory strategy. Note that a few factors won't impact your IPI score. New ASINs won't impact your IPI score for the first 90 days, so you can have time to test new products and monitor your sales. Pending removals, including liquidation orders, won't impact your IPI score since you've already addressed your aged or excess inventory. And if you're new to FBA or haven't been active in the past 13 weeks, you might not receive an IPI score until more data is available. Search IPI score in Seller Central to learn more about them and how they're calculated. This concludes our overview on IPI scores. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!